Hi friends, welcome to Clay Camilla's channel. Today I'm going to sculpt the Brainrot Meme's Final Boss. The final boss of Brainrot is one of the biggest and most recognizable characters from the whole Brainrot meme universe. He's portrayed as a huge, slightly grotesque creature that feels like the ultimate boss fight in the world of memes. This monster is basically a hybrid built out of tons of iconic meme figures. The elephant Lirili Larila, the shark Tralalero Tralala, the frog Boneka Ambalabu, Tung Tung Sahur with his bat, and even a pair of comically dressed legs. And to top it off, a frog with an alarm clock on its head. The result is something funny, bizarre, and just a little creepy. Let's break down the details. His torso looks like a giant car tire with a shark head sticking out on the right. Part of the body resembles a cactus. He's got two legs, the right one is wearing a bright Nike sneaker and the left one is in a sandal. The biggest head belongs to the elephant. On the left side, there's the frog Boneka Ambalabu, and right above it sits an alarm clock symbolizing control over time. Beneath the frog's head is Tung Tung Sahur holding his bat. The Brainrot Final Boss is both mysterious and hilariously absurd. In the fan community, he's become a true symbol of peak meme madness. People make Lego figures, plush toys, clay sculptures, and even full animations dedicated to him. So, what versions of this character have you seen on YouTube? Drop a comment below. I've personally spotted him in fan animations and mod reviews. How about you? Here's the Brainrot boss I made. Comment below who I should sculpt in the next video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.